Ever wished you could turn your wildest visuals into reality with just a few clicks? Today, I'm showing you how to use ImgCreator AI to generate mind-blowing images faster than ever. Stay with me. This is a game changer for creators. First up, head to imgcreator.com and sign in or create an account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a super intuitive interface. The real magic starts when you hit create new image. You can either choose from preset styles or dive straight into describing your vision. And here's the fun fact. Type in a detailed prompt, be as specific as possible. Describe colors, lighting, or even art styles to get exactly what you want. Click generate and within seconds, ImgCreator's AI brings your imagination to life. It's perfect for designers, content creators, or anyone looking to step up their visual content. You can even resize and optimize images for platforms like Instagram or YouTube, making it a one-stop solution for all your visual needs. If you're serious about stepping up your content game, ImgCreator AI is a must-try. Drop a comment below on what you would create first. And don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge creating tips. Until next time, keep imagining